What's up guys, in this video, we're showing you how to make stunning AI transitions using Pixverse. Start by going to the Pixverse website and logging in. Once inside the dashboard, go to Generate Video. On the next page, click on the Transition tab on the left hand side. You'll see a space to upload your starting image and add your ending frame. These are the two visuals that Pixverse will morph between. You can drag and drop or use screenshots. Next, scroll through the settings on the left panel. Set your duration, resolution, and choose between standard or smooth motion. Leave auto sound and auto speech off if you want clean visuals only. Then in the box at the bottom, describe what should happen during the transition. For example, a flying car ascends from the city and disappears into the clouds as the sky turns purple. Once you're happy with your setup, hit the orange Create button. After processing, Pixverse will generate your AI transition video, ready to download or share. And that's how you make a cinematic AI transition using Pixverse. Thanks for watching.